So hi, good morning everybody. Welcome back to Enchanted Meadow. Today we're going to be assembling our rainwater collection to water our chickens. And right now we have the bucket out there. We have it sitting on center blocks, and we already have our pipe glued together with the little chicken buckets. I ordered that from Amazon. So we assembled everything last night and got everything set up last night. So today we just have to assemble it together. So come along, check it out. Hey chickies! They're all getting along better, which I am happy about. Our feed's gonna be next. They must have knocked that over, but we took out the pipes. So we just let them out the bucket for now, which is fine. Just a temporary solution until we get to our next step. And then we have our little babies. I don't know if they're babies anymore. I guess they'll be pullets. I have to look and see what the different stages are. It's a learning process. Look, but at least they're being nice together. They're all getting along. Something really sticking around. Sometimes the hens, as well. All right, so what we got?
Taking out the beam, lowering it, and then I have to put it back in and attach the PVC waterer.
Okay. So because the beam is not up to their shoulder, we have to lower the beam. So, did he get you? I don't know why he's being so mean sometimes. They're not supposed to be mean, I thought. The brand. Oh wait, the French brands aren't nice. So, I don't know. I have to go back and look. I thought they were supposed to be docile, but maybe not. Because they're not nice. They weren't nice to the new little chicks either when I first had to put them in. But now they're all cool. You have to put in the same area? Okay. So, this is our rain burrow. We got that off Amazon. We got the little chicken buckets off Amazon as well. And we went to the hardware stores to get the PVC pipes. And these brackets are actually for pipes, but it actually worked well over our PVC pipes. So, because we did not grab that from Home Depot as well. So we got a couple of this from Ace. We live out in the country, so Home Depot is like a little ways away. So we have to sometimes make do with the stores that are right around us if we don't plan properly or if we forget some things. So, yep. We did use the pop fly trap, because this is where we used to have their food. So we found a lot of flies over here. So we used the outdoor pop fly trap to bait the flies in there, and it works. Wasn't a bad idea.
I should have a level, but I'm not. Does it look right to you? I'm excited to just do this. Hold on, don't come over here.
Here, take this. Yeah. There's some stuff. Yay! Just gonna go ahead and do it. We have our water line, and I just put it above the barrel just to like reassemble how it will be when it rains. And let's see how it turns out. Hold on. Hold on. Let's see if it's working. Alright, so now we're just waiting to see when it gets enough water. Yay! Okay, so we got water. So now we need to come. Are these lifted too high, or we're good?
What?
The buckets.
Okay. They're trying to. I tightened them, but I can just loosen them real quick.
Because aren't they supposed to drop down?
When the water hits them, they'll drop down.
Oh, the water hits them, they'll drop down. And the other one is open, right? But it should be running through it now.
No, it's still very close to it.
Okay. There's water.
Go up to the point you need.
Yep.
That's my hope.
So now we're going to make sure it just stops and doesn't overflow. It's not dripping anywhere. Everything looking good. Even if they're drinking out of the oboe, we'll remove the oboe. Okay. I think we're good.
Yeah, I don't see anything.
It looks great. So I'm so happy I don't have to do this manual water anymore. So a quick update, we did change the water from the cups to the nipples, and that was because one of the chickens stood on top of the beam and somehow rotated the PVC pipe, and it drained out our whole 50-gallon barrel of water. So as you see, we have these yellow nipples, and they work out great right here. And we changed it from the cups to the nipples, and we were able to do so because the cups and the nipples we have had the same thread. So I would just suggest anybody in the future to just go ahead and start out with the nipples. We were going to have to change them to the nipples anyway in the wintertime, because in the wintertime the cup would have frozen. The water in the cup would have frozen. So, yep. But this is our final design, and it works out great. It's great not to come out here and have to manually water them anymore. It saves us time to do other projects that we're working on. So I think I like it. It's not even a think I like it. I love it. So, yeah. But thank you for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you learned something. And once again, thank you for tuning in to Enchanted Meadow.